So it's time to pick another winner for the TT Christmas giveaway. For anyone that's new here, it's a Christmas giveaway. We're giving away a prize every day and the links to enter are down in the description below. It's a simple giveaway where you click some tasks to enter and you can come back and get more daily entries. The more you enter, the more chance you have of winning. So thank you to everyone that's entered so far, and of course, good luck to everyone taking part in this giveaway. So again, we've had a lot of entries, but keep in mind that each entry is worth 100 points and there are 8 entries for each person. So the actual number there are not that many people in the giveaway, so do not be worried about that. But it's time to pick a giveaway, and as always, we're going to be picking a winner every day. So we've got today's giveaway followed by another 18 giveaways until Boxing Day. They start off with the cheaper prizes and we're going to work our way up to the more expensive ones. The whole list is down in the description below, and the original giveaway video link is also down in the description below if you want to see me actually showing you the prizes there. So it's time to pick the next winner, so we'll go ahead and do that now. So you can see Nancy was the previous winner, so I'm going to re-pick win, but of course I've already contacted Nancy, so she'll be getting her prize. So I'm going to go and re-pick win. This will revoke the win and pick another. So Nancy, just in case you're watching this hasn't revoked your win, you're still getting your prize. This is just so I can pick another winner. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And the next winner is Ashwani Kumar, so congratulations to him. He's actually in India and he's won himself the Yoyofit Fitness tracker, a great fitness tracker, probably in competition with the Mi Band, but it does have a color screen, which is great. So a huge congratulations to Ashwani, and can everyone please give him a huge congratulations down in the comments below. Of course, apologies to anyone that didn't win, but as I said, there are 18 more days of this giveaway and the prizes get better as we go on, so there's still plenty of opportunities. And make sure you do go back to the giveaway daily, as you've got more chance to get more entries in, giving you more chance of winning. And of course, your earlier entries still count. I don't touch those, so it continues all of the way through the giveaway. But a huge congratulations to Ashwani. I'll be contacting him now to get the prize sent out, and good luck to everyone in the rest of the Christmas giveaway.